Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about the video editing app. This is a very good app. So how you can download this app and how you can do things in this app. So we're gonna learn all those things. So let's get started. So first step is how to download this app. So the app name is Clipchamp, Microsoft app. This is Microsoft app. So for that, you just need to open the Microsoft Store. So this is the Microsoft Store where you will find the app. So it's opening. Okay, in search for this Clipchamp. Yeah. So this is the app Microsoft Clipchamp. I already installed this app, so that's why you can see the open option. So other then you will see the install option. So when you click on install option, the app gets installed in your system. So this is the desktop app. Okay. Then here, after installing that app, how you can find that app? So for that, here you just need to type clip Clipchamp. Yeah, Microsoft Clipchamp. When you click on it, it gets open. So here you can see it gets open. So this is the UI of the this video editor app Clipchamp. You need to log into here. So then after uh, new video, click on this create new video and import here the media which you want to edit it. So I'll choose. Okay, I have selected one of my previous recording video. Okay, you can drag and drop here for the line for the preview. From here you can use these options. All these options you can available here: text, transition, brand, video, filters, effect, transition. So you can explore all these options by installing. So that's it for this video. And one more thing. So when you want to export this video, here is the export button. From here, you can export your edited videos. Okay. Yeah. Thanks. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.